Victory Secret is a delightful and luxurious fragrance that opens with a fresh and fruity blend of pear lychee red apple and mandarin orange, offering a juicy and invigorating start. The heart blooms with an elegant floral bouquet of gardenia, magnolia, jasmine, freesia, and sweet pea, adding a soft, romantic and feminine touch to the composition. The base is rich and indulgent, featuring black vanilla husk, benzoin, chocolate, amber, sandalwood and musk, creating a warm, creamy and slightly sweet finish that lingers beautifully on the fabric. This fragrance is a captivating balance of freshness, florals and rich warmth, perfect for both day and evening wear. Performance elements of Victory Secret. Longevity. Strong, lasting 8 to 10 hours or more, especially with the rich base notes of vanilla, amber, chocolate and musk that provide excellent staying power. Sillage. Moderate to high with a noticeable and lingering trail. The sweet floral and warm base notes ensure the fragrance is easily detected without being overpowering. Projection. Moderate projection, particularly in the first few hours, with fruity top notes and rich sweet base notes, making a vibrant and captivating impression. Season. Best suited for autumn and winter due to the warmth and richness of the base notes, but can also work well in cooler spring evenings. Occasion. Perfect for evening wear, special occasion or romantic settings thanks to its elegant and sensual composition. It can also be worn during the day, especially in cooler weather. Versatility. Can be worn both day and night, though it shines more in evening or formal settings due to its rich, warm, and seductive nature. Mood. Feminine, sensual, and confident with a playful fruity sweetness and a luxurious, indulgent base. Type. Floral, fruity, gourmand. Victory Secret blends bright fruity top notes with a heart of delicate florals and a warm sweet gourmand base, offering a balanced mix of freshness, floral elegance, and rich indulgence. Style. Elegant, feminine, and sensual, this fragrance exudes a playful yet sophisticated charm. Its combination of fruity brightness, floral softness, and rich gourmand sweetness makes it perfect for those who want to feel confident, luxurious, and alluring, especially in romantic or formal settings. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar or to create eau de parfum. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.